Pero ba?
All the viewers and the fans of Miss International Queen Philippines and MIQ, of course, in the whole world. Thank you so much for continuously supporting the pageant and empowering more to join and be part of this organization.
Hello po sa lahat, magandang hapon. Nandito ang mga pinakamagaganda sa mga ating mga kaibigan sa inyo. Hello po sa
India
lahat.
people, hello.
Sawari ka!
Sawadi ka!
Message to our delegates competing for tonight's MIQPH All-Stars.
Well, as cliche as it sounds, as I always say, just enjoy the whole competition. I know I was able to train them po for just quite a few hours lang sa Bragaris flagship store a few weeks ago, a week ago I think. I get to see the personality of the girls, and I mean this is All Stars edition also, so everybody's ready. Whoever will represent the Philippines in the international stage, I know she will do her best also. So just enjoy the whole show.
So Jojo, yes, message natin for our delegates competing for tonight's
Sa akin, just have fun. And I was able to talk to Miss Alisa last night. And tinanong ko siya kung ano yung gusto niya for MIQ. And what is important, is it beauty, is it the body or intelligence? And I get a pretty much very good insight on the kind of winners that she's looking for. So I think isa yun sa mga hahanapin ko. So ngayon, just be yourself. Just enjoy the night.
How about you, our grandest Jojo? Ano bang hinahanap natin sa winner?
The most grand.
Hinahanap
The one
ko-
and only? Ba ito?
Or the most. Ang hinahanap ko somebody who can represent us sa international stage, lalo sa MIQ, di ba? Kasi nga, napaka-grand ng staging ng MIQ. And,
Yeah.
beauty and brains, yan. Beauty and
Ayun.
Sir Jo, aside from the grand beauty, ano pa yung mga dapat abangan namin sa Bragaris?
MGI All-Stars, of course. So, andito kami ni CJ ngayon, nagsimula na ang MGI All-Stars. So, supposed to be, we're flying today dapat, but because siyempre si Miss Michelle yan, hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yan. So, andito tayo, mas pinili muna natin dito. So, papanawad, sorry.
See you
pero
soon.
See you soon. Lipad kami soon.
Dahil dyan, may tatanong ako, dahil mainit-init, ikaw na daw ba talaga ang bagong may hawak ng grandest pageant in the Philippines?
Kasagutan. Silence speaks here.
Hindi naman. Malalaman na lang natin yan kasi hindi naman natin alam kung kanino talaga
Okay.
bibigay, di ba? Kasi I've been hearing and seeing some names na nagre-resurface regarding sa issue na yun. Pero kung ibibigay man, ibigay. And kung sa iba man mapunta, we'll see. For now, MJ All-Stars muna ang, I think, ang mas kailangan na tinututukan namin at laro.
Sorry sir, but how many percent is that percent that ibigay kung ibibigay for Jojo Bragaris? How many percent is that?
That we don't know.
Parang
That's gonna
nagkamali
be a
na nasa
surprise.
contract na kayo.
Let's see.
We'll see. Because I love you all, but pagbihin niyo muna ako ngayon, lahat ng pwede kong sabihin ngayon ay pwedeng ikasama at ikasira ng aking buhay. Thank you.
Pero if ever ba, masasama ba kami sa grandest launching na yan, ang mga pageant media?
Of course naman.
Ay, inamin! Inamin!
Everywhere.
Kung saan man siya mapunta or kung ano man ang mangyari, syempre, alam niyo naman yan eh. And thank you so much for the love and support sa Bragaris all throughout. And kung tatawid man tayo sa mga panibagong journey sa buhay, dito sa pageantry life ng Bragaris. And of course, kayo ang isa sa mga unang makakaalam and masasabihan. And I think time na rin natin to, I mean, for the longest time, if I'm gonna be more vulnerable towards what is happening in the pageant industry. Madami ang mga nangyayari na I would say na not so.
Ang galing mo talaga, no?
Yeah. So, siguro if there's something man na sisimulan, siguro mas maganda na i-include ang pageant media because kayo ay umiikot, nakakasama ang mga iba-ibang pageant queens. And I think it's about time to create something na mas involved kayo in shaping the industry na magkakasama tayo. So, I think
Thank you so much for the involvement, sir. For CJ, kasi po kilala po kayong mataling magkaibigan. So, pag pinigay po ba ito kay Sir Jojo ay malaki, hindi ka na host ngayon, isa ka na sa mga, ano,
I wanna be on the stage, pero ako sumali ulit ako ng Miss Grand. Hindi, but I mean, whoever, I mean, if there are really changes, you know, big changes with the Grand Pageant or whichever line of pageant we have in the Philippines, well, I think everybody knows I jumped from one competition to another competition, which I say all the time na parang home ko na din yung Philippines, Miss Universe Philippines, and Miss Grand. So hopefully, kung saan man po kumapadpad, they'll be able to embrace me wherever, whenever. I'm just here to support all the Filipina queens, organizations. So hopefully, you know,
So, magja-jump ba ulit ako sa CJ Opiasa?
ayan na gan.
magja-jump ako mabutan Thailand sa 80s. So see?
Wow!
Yeah.
Cut!
Ano?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.